Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Uyu munsi ngiye kubereka AI cyangwa se website ishobora kugufasha gukora amafoto atandukanye nk'aya ngaya urimo kubona. Biroroshye, no Photoshop, just one prompt. No kwandika gusa interuro rimwe ubundi ukabona amafoto menshi atandukanye y'ubuntu. Niba uri umuntu ukunda kwamamaza, niba uri umuntu ushaka gukora navuga ushaka gukora utuntu two kwamamaza, ushaka gukora portrait, ushaka marketing, amafoto yo gukoresha muri marketing, so nakubwira iki rero, iyi application cyangwa se iyi website yagufasha kubona amafoto yose wifuza, just AI, artificial intelligence. So tudatinze rero reka nkwereke iyi website. Mbere ko dutangiye, niba utarakora subscribe, please subscribe to my channel, share and comment. Thank you. Okay, tugiye muri browser yacu twandike lexica.art. lexica.art. Then urabona iyi niyo prompt bahita guhereza amafoto. Of course abandi bantu bagiye bakoresha before, ubu ni ubwoko bw'amafoto nawe ushobora gucreatinga bitewe na prompt uhaye iyi AI. Amafoto ni menshi cyane ntabwo yabarika, ni menshi. So natwe rero kugira ngo tubone iriya foto twa creatinze, reka twandike ice cream, then twandike search. When you write ice cream, then you search more pictures. Amafoto menshi atandukanye, mesh atandukanye ushobora kwifashisha muri marketing, ushobora kwifashisha of course ngiye nshobora guhitamo aka gafoto nkabona ko okay, this one can work for me. Okay, so you can choose any picture that you want. For me, iyi ngiyi niyo ndi kubona iri kunkorera, so I click on it, then I download. You can see a download button here. Yes, I click download. So my picture is now downloading to my PC. Okay, muri application hariho ubwo ushobora kwandika generate, ukaza hano kuri generate picture, hano bakakubwira describe your image. Okay, let's say that maybe my image, I want a cookie on the grass of milk. A cookie, I think this is the a cookie on the grass of milk. Dimension ahangaha size yayo uko bishaka, so reka tureke gutya nta kibazo, then click generate. Okay, system is generating some pictures for you. Hey, look at this guys. So aya ni amafoto ushobora kubona ukifashisha muri marketing yawe, you see. So if you don't like this, you can again generate. Our AI is generating. Hey, come on. So you can see guys, this is the pictures that we are having. So you can use this picture and ukajya muri marketing yawe ugaragaza wenda this cookies wifashishije na milk. So ubwoko bw'amafoto ushobora kwifuza ushobora kunyura ahangaha kuri iyi website nagwa yitwa lexica.art. So amafoto n'ubuntu ukadownloadinga ukayakoresha ahantu hose ushaka muri rusange. This is the AI that I wanted to show you uyu munsi. So next time make sure you subscribe, uzajya ubona video nyinshi nk'izi zitandukanye zishobora kwereka uburyo ikoranabuhanga ushobora kuryifashisha muri uyu munsi rikagukorera ibitangaza. Thank you for watching. Bye.